What's cracking everyone? This is your friend Zubair H back with another video. Today I'm going to unbox and review the new phone just dropped by Vivo, which is the Vivo U10. So the Vivo U10 comes out in two colors, which are the Thunder Black and my favorite, Electric Blue. The Vivo U10 runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset and it has a triple card slot. The Vivo U10 comes out with a choice of 3GB and a 4GB variant with a memory expandable from 64GB up to 256GB. The Vivo U10 has a triple camera setup on the back with a 13, 8 and a 2 megapixel AI triple rear camera setup. The screen to body ratio of the Vivo U10 is 89%. Although it has a dewdrop notch, the screen is slightly bigger when compared to other flagships available in the market while sharing the same price. The Vivo U10 runs on its own software, which is the Fun Touch operating system. The Vivo U10 offers a telephoto lens, a wide lens and an ultra-wide lens, so you can take your pictures in a wide aspect. The Vivo U10 is currently running on the latest Android version, which is the Android Pie, and soon it will get the update of Android 10 as well. The best thing about the Vivo U10 is its battery, which is a 5000 mAh which lasts up to 2 days with the normal usage. The Vivo U10 offers both the fingerprint sensor on the rear and as well as the face unlock thing on the front side for the security purpose. Inside the box we also get an 18-watt fast charger to reduce the battery faster than ever. So that is all for today guys. If you guys like my video, make sure to drop a like, and if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section below. Peace out world.